Download the file, come over here to upload the file, and then go do whatever you want while waiting to make money with this method that I'm gonna show you today. In today's video, we will be going over a strategy that will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars in passive income without investing hours and hours of your precious time for just a small amount of cash. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to all of our viewers, and now let's get into the video. Okay, so I have a few very interesting and straightforward strategies for you today. But as always, please stay patient and stick with me until the end, so you don't miss important bits of information on how to properly set this up that I'll give you throughout the course of this video. Otherwise, it won't work as intended and you won't be able to make a lot of money at all. Anyway, the website that will be part of this method today is called plrminds.com. This is one of the two websites I'll be showing you today. PLR Minds is a website where you can find various digital products, and they range from ebooks to video tutorials, website templates, various softwares, and so on and so forth. What's special about this is you get to download and use these products completely free of charge and with a license to do so. With PLR standing for Products Labeled Right, that means basically when you download an ebook, you are able to resell it. So if you customize any of the products that you can download from this website, you are 100% free to sell those. And with that said, I don't want you to get the wrong idea. You're not going to be selling anything. And just like I promised you in the intro, you will not need any sales skills or whatever. Nothing like that. By clicking on freebies here, you will be able to see precisely what products we have on this website. You have free ebooks and free graphics, which you can download as well. And once again, use however you want, which mostly consists of video tutorials as seen below, and most of these are actually grouped together and form like a course of some sorts. You have free templates, and these include the website templates I mentioned a minute ago. And finally, you have various softwares. When you want to download one of these, all you have to do is click here. That will now take you over to this page, and you will have a bunch of products to choose from. In my example, I chose videos to show you how this all looks like. When you pick what you want to download, just click on Get It Now, then scroll down a bit until you come across the download button right here and download this product that you can then give out to other people for free as you have the license to do so. And bear in mind, guys, that you won't be able to download this immediately. Instead, the download button will be sort of blocked, but you'll be able to unlock it by linking them on Facebook or something like that. It will take you less than 10 seconds to do so, literally. So if you don't want to do that, you can just register and create an account by clicking on Join in the upper right corner, but it's not really necessary to do so, hence why I didn't do it myself. Anyhow, your goal on this website is to download files that you will then re-upload onto the next platform. I highly recommend the videos as they will make you the most money by far, but you can of course use other products, and in any case you want to download a few of them and come on to the second platform. One that will actually pay us in that platform is called upload-forever.com. This website is a file sharing free cloud storage for your data. You will basically upload files on the website, and whenever someone downloads them, you will get paid for a certain amount of money. The way this basically works is when someone clicks to download one of the video courses you uploaded, for example, the website will show them various ads before they can actually download the file. And you will get a portion of that ad revenue, and as such, this is a win-win situation for everyone. The advertisers get the desired traffic and the website shares the ad revenue, while the person who downloaded the course got it for completely free, so everyone in this circle is a winner. All they have to do for you to get paid is download the file, and that's literally it. Furthermore, it's far easier to convince someone to download an absolutely free course or website template, whatever it may be, rather than to pay for someone, as would be the case if you're an affiliate. And if that's not good enough, all the money that you will be making will be essentially in passive income, and all you have to do is to upload a dozen or so files here, and that's basically it. This site gets regular traffic every single month, and so people keep downloading files you've uploaded, potentially months if not years after you've actually uploaded them on here. You'll basically forget about them, but will still get paid. Nonetheless, for a beginner with no skills and no experience with making money online, this website is one of the best ways to get started. And anyways, by clicking on the make money right up here, you will see on the next page that you get paid for every 1000 downloads. And that's how it works, but that's not all I wanted to show you. Below this, you will see all the ways in which you can get paid. And there is not only a huge amount of them, but they include some of the favorite payment methods for you, primarily PayPal and cryptocurrency. If you by a slight chance or not a fan of either, then you have over a dozen of other payment methods that this website has to offer. Now, for any of you who perhaps have some doubts about this website's legitimacy, if this perhaps seems too easy for you, or whatever, just click on payment proof, and you will see evidence of people getting paid various amounts of money every single day through a bunch of the aforementioned payment methods. With all that said and done, what you need to do on this website in order to start uploading files is to register, and by clicking on sign up, you'll be able to do so. You enter your username, password, email address. You can right away enter your payment information such as PayPal address if you want to, or alternatively, you can do it later. Complete the CAPTCHA by clicking on I'm not a robot and click on sign up, and you're good to go. When you create an account and log in, this is how everything will look like, and it does look quite nice. In order to upload any files, you might have to click on the upload files here and open them from your computer. The amount of money that you made is located right next to that. In order to get paid, just click on request payout below. And by the way, something really nice about this website is that there is no minimum requirement of money in your balance before you can withdraw it. So even if you've earned as little as $1 or even less, you can withdraw that with no problems. Moreover, you have a lot of space to upload your files with this amount. You can literally upload hundreds and hundreds of them, which could of course lead to quite a bit of money in passive income. What we will essentially do is just repeat the same process over and over again. You will come over to plrminds.com and download several files and come back over here and upload them to get paid. And there are other PLR websites out there that you can use if you don't like the amount of files in plrminds.com. plrdownloads.com is one of them, and it works in the same way. Anyway, the last thing worth noting about this website is the referrals. Now, referring people to here is a great idea because people can make money by uploading files. So if you share this website with various make money online groups, for example on Facebook, chances are some of them will be able to click on that affiliate link of yours. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.